Alright, you're looking at parabola. Alright. So, hey, exactly the same parabola, right? Right here. Okay, which is y equals negative x squared plus 2x plus 3. Okay, so this one is a negative, so this must be what? That's right, upside down. You know what? In our math, we don't call this one upside down. Okay, because okay, look at this shape right here. You know what I mean? Something like shape looks like this shape, like that. Then this side is we call concave, right? Concave. This side we call convex. Okay, so we don't use convex in math. Okay, mathematics. Okay, we use only concave. So this one is a concaved down. Okay, if this one happening like this, that's concaved up. All right. What if you have like a two different curve? Okay, meet at right here. Okay, so look at this one. See, so okay, just like this. Okay. Yeah. Also, this is important. See, this one is a concave down. Okay, concaved down. Okay. This one is concaved up. So meeting point we call inflection. Okay, so this one is inflection right there. Okay, so yeah, later on we talk about this one anyway. But what is a derivative? Derivative is simply okay differentiation. Okay, we're gonna talk about deeper and deeper later. Okay, but derivative is simply, you better remember this one this way. Okay, the slope. Okay, slope study. Okay, slope of tangent line. Okay, so tangent line, not secant. Okay, you know difference, right? So okay, if you have a circle like this one, okay, something on the top like this, so that's a tangent line. But something go through like this one, that's a secant line, right? Secant. Okay, we talk about this one later. Actually, in calculus, okay, so we learn two major items. Okay, which is in this case, okay, slope, another word, derivative. Okay, that means we're talking about, if we look at this tangent line right here. Okay, look at this tangent line on this point right there. There's going to be a positive slope, right? This one is, okay, right on this point, there's going to be negative slope. What about this right here on the top, very, very top? That's going to be zero slope, right? Oh, so anytime we find out the derivative, then put this one in zero, then find out x value. That's going to be okay the top of this curve. So top means okay maximum value. You know what? Okay, in this world we deal with maximum value or minimum value. All right. See, when you invest some money, okay, so minimum amount of money you invest, then maximum profit you're gonna get, right? Not okay, you put a lot of money, then you get a little bit of money. You lose the business, right? Whole world, economics and stock market, everything going up to this business right here. That's why this is really important. Okay, now what about the second big one? Okay, that's a integral. Okay, which is we looking for the area of the length of this curve or the volume. Okay, say this is an irregular shape, so no way to find out without the calculus. So like I said, this is the biggest tragedy, so we're gonna die without knowing the calculus. Okay, lot of fun. Hey, study, then enjoy. Simple. Okay, rule of derivative, very simple. Okay, so what if we have okay ax nth power? Then derivative symbol, usually we use apostrophe sign, just like this one. Okay, so then equals. You know what? All we have to do, you just multiply this exponent to front. Okay, then a n, then x, then n, decrease by 1, minus 1, right there. That's it. Very simple. So in this case, let's use this one, okay? So original equation right there, functional equation, which is y apostrophe, that means derivative of that, Okay, we're going to move this 2 to front, negative 2. Then x 2 minus 1 is 1. We don't have to worry about it, okay? But hey, not going to hurt. So now, next one. This one was 1. Okay, that means 1 times 2, that means 2. Now, x 1 minus 1 is 0 power. 0 power means 1, so we don't have to worry about it, right? What about this one? So last one, so x, that's a 0 power actually. 0 power means 1. That's why, hey, 0 times 3 is going to be 0 anyway. So now we just put this one 0. Oh, that means x value going to be what? That's right, x value going to be 1. At x is 1, then we're going to have the vertex, which is a maximum value. That's 1 right there. So look at that. See how easy? But yeah, in this case, yeah, we learned this one from algebra. Okay, but what if we have a complicated curve like this? Okay, so like more complicated cubic, okay, business like that. Then how to find out this maximum and minimum value? Okay, now what about integral? Integral is simply, that's right, opposite of derivative. That means we call inverse derivative. Okay, so that means, oh, then ax, okay, let's say nth power. Then you know what? Okay, so usually we use this, okay, integral sign just like this. Okay, then dx. Okay, then simply this one. Okay, actually you're gonna increase this one by 1. Okay, instead of decrease. You remember? Then ax n plus 1. Okay, then actually over this one is a divide by that exponent. Okay, not times n plus 1. That's it. Okay, so this is integral. Now, okay, let's get the area for this shape right here. Okay, not the left hand side. Okay, just the right hand side of this shape right here. Okay, just like that. Okay, then that's from 0 to 3. Okay, so the area for that is, okay, integral. This integral sign is a summing up. Okay, summing up of all these pixels. You remember that digital camera, there's how many megapixels or things like that. All these pixels right here, all these dots, billions dots. Okay, we add all these dots together. Oh, not the left hand side. Okay, just the right hand side. So that's what it is. We sum it up. That's why this is a symbol of S. Okay, long S from 0, okay, to 3. Oh, look at that, 0 to 3. Then you just plug this one right there. So negative x squared, okay, plus 2x, okay, plus 3, then dx. All right. So later we're going to talk about this one more, okay, deeper. Okay, so then we reverse derivative, which is the anti-derivative, whatever. Okay, then, hey, let's go. Okay, negative, then x third power, so increase by 1, okay, so over 3. Okay, what about this one? Plus 2, then x, it was 1, now 2, divided by 2. Okay, what about the last one? 3x squared, x 0 power, right? Okay, remember? Now, 3x 0 power to increase by 1, so that's first power, so 1, then over 1. Oh, yeah. So that means simply, okay, then 0 to 3. Now, how you solve? You just plug 3 to this one, then minus, you plug 0. Hey, if you plug 0, it's going to be 0. Everything going to be 0, so don't worry about it, okay? Now 3. Then this value going to be, okay, 3 to the third power divided by 3, so 3 to the second power, right? Negative 9. Then plus, okay, 3 to the second power, but 2 is going to be gone, just like this. Okay, that's going to be 9. All right, now plus. Okay, 3 times 3, which is 9. Woo, simple. So minus 0 is going to be, anyway,